Oh, hey guys, probably wondering, how am I playing Pac-Man out in the wild? Well, behold, the answer. A portable charger that's designed for you to go ahead and power anything, anywhere, anytime. Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at the GEYOTO N300 portable power station. And as you just saw, this thing is designed to be a compact power station that you can actually move around, while still giving you fast charging, UPS backup, and enough power for your everyday gear. So today we'll be unboxing it, testing it, and seeing exactly what are the limits. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this thing. Alright guys, check it out. So this here's our packaging, this here's our box. Let's open it up. Alright, so this is everything that it comes with. So some things to know, that does come with two different power cables. One is a direct plug-in, so it doesn't have an adapter at all. So this will literally plug into the back and charge it. Cigarette lighter port, so you can technically charge this in the vehicle as you're using it. And then over here, it does come with a strap. So some first impressions. This thing is definitely compact. In fact, it's probably one of the smallest portable chargers of its nature I've ever seen. Compared to some of the larger power stations, this feels more like a grab and go kind of deal. And that's clearly the point here. This isn't some giant emergency backup brick. In fact, it's built to be lightweight, portable, rugged, and well, easy to move around. All right, so let's take a closer look at this thing. Now, for the size itself, it's got a really solid variety of different ports, as you can tell on the front. You got yourself 3 AC outlets that are in different directions, giving you a little bit more flexibility. You have 3 USB-C ports, a USB-A, and a car output. And on the top, right over here, you have a 25-watt QI 2.2 wireless charging. So you can charge your phone and different devices. And while this thing here, it can power up to 9 devices at the same time. That's pretty impressive for something of its size. All right, so let's put this to the test. As you can tell, this device is powering everything that you see on this table. Now, this shows that it's currently emitting 59 watts and can last for 3 hours and 42 minutes, just like this. So we have ourselves an iron heart, an AI system, a robotic hand that's powered, a robot dog being charged, a drill being charged in the back, another robot here, and then a little miniature screen. So a lot going on. And that's exactly what this is designed for. It's not for bigger equipment, but more or less smaller things like your desktop setup, camera equipment, phones, tablets, lights, or even just taking power outside for a quick setup. Now, this is one thing that I really like here on the top. Simply pull this up just like this, take your phone, place it on the charger, and bam! You've got a 25-watt wireless charging built right into the top. So instead of plugging in yet another cable, you can simply just drop your phone right on top and let it charge. That's a nice touch, and it makes it feel more modern than a lot of the basic portable power stations I've reviewed in the past. So in terms of portability, well, this is where the N300 really stands out. It weighs 3.5 kilograms, roughly 7.7 pounds. So it's light enough to actually carry around without feeling almost like a chore. And with the compact body design and the carry strap that you can install, it feels more realistic for road trips, family outings, campings, and any other outdoor adventure. Now, you also get an app control with this. It connects through Wi-Fi and via Bluetooth. So you can monitor the battery, check your input and output, and manage things remotely from your phone. That's one of the features that just makes the whole experience much more easier, especially when the unit isn't sitting right next to you. Now, this is one of the most important features on this unit. The N300 has 24/7 UPS backup, with switching under just 10 milliseconds. So if the power suddenly cuts out, it can keep important devices running without that full interruption. All right, so let's test this out. So I currently have this as the middleman. So I have power going to it and then power coming out. Currently powering both the computer as well as the monitor. So let's just say hypothetically, if the power goes out, I'm going to disconnect it from the back. 3, 2, 1. You hear it kick on, and everything is still on. That is awesome. So it does work, and to kind of prove the point here, so all I have to do, if I hit this to turn it off, boom, everything shuts off. So you can still save your data and still have capability of doing so. Probably shouldn't have turned off the computer that way. And as you can see, everything stayed on. And that makes this really useful for things like a router, a small computer setup, or other gear you don't want shutting off unexpectedly. Another interesting feature here is P boost. So even though this is a 300 watt unit, GEYOTO says that intelligently supports certain devices up to 500 watts. This doesn't mean that it turns into a huge power station, but does give it a little bit more flexibility for some higher draw gear than you might expect from a unit of this size. All right, so for this challenge here, we're actually outside playing an arcade machine powered by our power station. And you can see right over here that this is gonna last us 11 hours. So you can play Pac-Man for pretty much the whole day. All right, now on to one of the biggest claims. GEYOTO says that this supports 250 watt fast charging and can go to 100% in just about 1.4 hours. And well, that does matter because with a portable power station like this, fast recharge makes a huge difference. If you can use it during the day, you want to be able to go ahead and get it topped back up quickly instead of waiting forever. Let's put it to the test. There we go. 1 hour, 37 minutes and 33 seconds. And it just hit 100%. Well, there you have it. And honestly, for something of this compact size, that recharge speed is one of the biggest advantages. Now, it also uses a lithium iron phosphate battery, which is rated for roughly 4,000 cycles. So this is built to last a lot longer than cheaper battery systems. And that's a pretty big deal if you plan on using it regularly instead of just tossing it on a shelf for emergencies. Overall, the GEYOTO N300 feels like a really solid compact power station. You've got 300 watt pure sine wave output, 256 watt hours of battery, fast recharge, UPS backup, 9 device support, 25 watt wireless charging, app control, and of course that lithium iron phosphate battery life. So if you want something lightweight and practical for small backup power, travel, outdoor use, or just keeping your everyday gear charged up, this is definitely a pretty versatile option. Now, with that said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.